Nissan has completely reimagined its full-size SUV for 2025, and the result is nothing short of impressive. The all-new Armada arrives with a bold design, advanced technologies, and unprecedented capability that positions it as a formidable contender in the competitive large SUV segment. Under the hood, Nissan has ditched the old V8 in favor of a more modern and potent twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. This new power plant churns out a robust 425 horsepower and a staggering 516 pound-feet of torque, offering an additional 25 horses and 103 pound-feet over its predecessor. Paired with a new 9-speed automatic transmission, the Armada delivers smooth acceleration and improved efficiency. The big news for 2025 is the introduction of the Pro 4X grade, elevating the Armada's off-road credentials to new heights. This adventure-ready trim comes standard with intelligent four-wheel drive, an electronic locking rear differential, and adaptive electronic air suspension. With 9.6 inches of ground clearance and impressive approach, breakover, and departure angles, the Pro 4X is ready to tackle the trails right out of the showroom. Step inside, and you're greeted by a thoroughly modern cabin. Dual 12.3-inch screens come standard, with higher trims upgrading to 14.3-inch displays. The integration of Google built-in, on SL and above, brings familiar apps like Google Maps and the Play Store directly to the dashboard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the range. Nissan has packed the new Armada with an impressive array of driver assistance features. The available Pro Pilot Assist 2.1 system allows for hands-off driving on compatible highways, while the standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite covers all the bases with features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot warning. The 2025 Armada hasn't forgotten its roots as a family hauler. Interior space has been significantly improved, with front row legroom up by 4.2 inches and an impressive 5.7-inch increase in third row legroom. Cargo capacity has also grown, now offering up to 97.1 cubic feet, with all seats folded. Luxury touches abound, including available quilted leather seats, open-pore wood trim, and a 64-color ambient lighting system. The available Klipsch premium audio system with 12 speakers ensures your road trip playlist sounds crystal clear. While the Pro 4X might steal the spotlight with its off-road prowess, Nissan hasn't neglected on-road comfort. A new frame with increased rigidity contributes to improved ride quality and noise isolation. The adaptive electronic air suspension, standard on Pro 4X and Platinum Reserve, offers multiple ride heights and electronically adjustable dampers for a smooth ride across various surfaces. The Armada maintains its reputation as a capable hauler with a maximum towing capacity of 8,500 pounds. New for 2025 is the Trailer Blind Spot Monitoring System, which can detect vehicles in blind spots even when towing trailers up to 33 feet long. The 2025 Nissan Armada represents a significant leap forward for the model. It successfully blends rugged capability with refined on-road manners and cutting-edge technology. The introduction of the Pro 4X grade broadens its appeal to adventure seekers, while the luxurious interior and advanced driver assistance features cater to families and long-distance travelers alike. With its powerful new engine, improved efficiency, and expanded versatility, the 2025 Armada is poised to shake up the full-size SUV segment. It offers a compelling package for those who demand both capability and comfort in their daily driver. As Nissan says, it's truly a fortress to conquer the world, whether that world is the urban jungle or the great outdoors.